Breathe better and sleep deeper with the Levoit Classic 160 Top Fill Humidifier. Don't wait. Check out the link in the video description to get your Levoit Top Fill Humidifier on Amazon today and enjoy a healthier, more comfortable home. Welcome to FinTech Pulse. I'm your host today. The American FinTech Council has just dropped a bombshell in its letter to the Ohio Department of Financial Institutions, urging them to re-examine their recent guidance on responsible bank partnerships. Imagine if banks and fintech companies were playing a game of musical chairs, but instead of chairs, they're trying to navigate a web of confusing regulations. That's exactly what's happening here, folks. The current guidance is so vague that it's leaving industry participants feeling like they're walking on eggshells, wondering which way the regulatory wind is blowing. The AFC's letter makes one thing crystal clear: more clarity is needed. They want to know how banks should conduct due diligence on their fintech partners, what data privacy and security standards should be applied to these partnerships, and how consumer complaints should be handled. It's like trying to find a needle in a haystack. Industry participants are struggling to make sense of the guidance and wondering if they're doing it right. The AFC argues that clearer guidance will foster a more predictable regulatory environment promoting responsible partnerships while also encouraging continued growth in the fintech sector. And let me tell you, that's music to our ears. FinTech Pulse is all about keeping up with the latest developments in the space, and this story is no exception. So what does it mean for banks and fintech companies? It means they need to review their compliance obligations to ensure alignment with applicable federal and state standards. It means being proactive in finding solutions that work for everyone, consumers, regulators, and industry participants alike. In conclusion, the AFC's letter to the Ohio Department of Financial Institutions is a wake-up call for the entire fintech community. It's time to put aside our differences and work together towards a common goal: fostering innovation and protecting consumers. That's what FinTech Pulse is all about: keeping you informed, engaging, and up to date on the latest developments in the space. Stay tuned.